Hello everyone, my name is Douglas and I'm here to go over some chess training videos. And today we're looking at a couple of different scenarios. We've got the queen. I'm looking at taking the knight there, but the pawn is obviously there. Taking the pawn, but the rook is there. So I see my rook. It's not going anywhere, backing it up. Alright, now I'm looking at my bishop on g7. I could take his bishop, then I take his. Let's see. Okay, if I take the queen, I take his bishop with my queen. He's pinned. So I think that's it. If you want to pause here with the video, see if you can get it. Alright, here we go. So I think it is queen takes. No. Oh, then he puts up the rook. Okay, to avoid the... Alright, so there it is. Oh, that's still wrong. Alright. So this is what happens sometimes. Oh, going to the other rook. See, that's one of the things with chess. You gotta kind of look at the big picture and just keeping your eyes open. One of the things I'm trying to do also is visualize all the pieces. Alright, so there it is again. So you take with the bishop, then the other rook is not protected. Alright, let's look on to the next one. So we got a lot going on here. The knight is retreating, then taking with the pawn, or I see my bishop on e. It's not going anywhere because of the knight. So if I push up, looks like, oh, that bishop is trapped. That is the solution. If you want to try to pause the video here, just see if you can figure it out. All right, here we go. All right, so it takes, then I'm going to take it back. So that one was a pretty simple one. The bishop ran out of squares. I think that, they're just playing too much in the center, not focusing on an outlet for the bishop. When it moved its knight there, that's why it was trapped. All right, thanks for watching, and hope you learned something. Take care.